I love Ipoh, I love Perak, I love this country. But we have to do something to preserve what belongs to the earth. Hi semua, hi everyone. Welcome to Kenny Studio. I am actually I don't know where am I. Hahaha. It's like a jogging track. Let me show you. This is like a jogging place, but it also has like a Chinese temple. This is somewhere uphill between Falim and Lahat. Shooting some places in Ipoh. So somebody told me this is a jogging place.
Yeah, you can jogging or cycling, exercise.
Oh, this is the Chinese temple.
Chinese temple.
Is it many people come here?
See lah, if Saturday or Sunday, many people come.
Oh,
Holiday.
this is not the usual Kledang Hill, no, is it?
No.
This is another one.
Another one.
Oh,
This is our branch lah. Branch. Our old temple is at Pasir Binci.
oh, okay.
Branch at here.
They are doing the construction,
Construction for
housing.
building houses. Okay, go toilet first.
Okay, thank you, Uncle. Wow, this place is awesome. This place is like a jogging place, and as you can see, there's a temple here, Chinese temple, and it looks fantastic. So nice. This is the other side of the park, but let me show you something very nice. Let me show you, check this out. You know, that's the best part of being with nature. It's green, nice to smell, nice to breathe. Nobody around because I'm the only person here. Memang seronok. Ini alam semula jadi. Yes, and ini kat mana? Ini kat Perak, Ipoh. Okay, check this out. Tapi untuk berapa lama benda ni akan ada tak tahu, sebab check that out. Nampak construction dekat jauh-jauh tu. Dia perlahan makan semua ni. Yeah. So apa kita nak buat? What are we going to do? Slowly all this will be going we have to do something. Yeah. See what's going on behind. Tengok apa berlaku. Itu construction, dia clear untuk buat construction. Memang development diperlukan, tapi where do we stand when you want to preserve the nature? Okay, ini nature. Ini yang tengah berlaku. Okay, I love Ipoh, I love Perak, I love this country, but we have to do something to preserve what belongs to the earth. So siapa-siapa suka video ni, boleh like, boleh share. So terima kasih, thank you for watching, bye bye.